you guys ever hit a action camera with a baseball bat? Well, that's what we're gonna try to do today. Action cameras can be so much fun. On my last adventure I had my GoPro with me. It failed a couple of times. I think the battery on the GoPro is coming to an end. That's why I started looking into other solutions. So in this video I'll show you a few things to think about before you go and buy a new GoPro or action camera. Storage is always going to be king. That's where you want to spend your time and money, not on equipment and cameras. The second point is that if you have a cheap camera like this one, you will not be afraid to use it. This is an action camera. It's meant to be used, it's meant to be broken, it's meant to go where no other camera can. You don't want to pay a fortune and having to break the camera the next day while trying to get a great story. Get something cheap and a good story and everybody's happy. When it comes to image quality, I can't really tell that much of a difference. Can you? When it comes to accessories and mounts, you have everything you need, including a spare battery. And again, all of this comes included in the package when you buy it. Alright, let's go and see if we can hit a home run.